Now that we know who the key Scrum roles are, let's talk about the Scrum events, also called ceremonies. These events are like the heartbeat of Scrum. They bring rhythm, focus, and accountability to the team's work. Without them, Scrum would lose its structure and discipline. Scrum defines 4 main events within each sprint: sprint planning, daily Scrum sprint review, sprint retrospective. Let's dive into each one in detail. Sprint planning, setting the direction. Every sprint begins with sprint planning. This is where the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team come together to answer 2 key questions. What can we deliver in this sprint? How will we deliver it? The product owner brings the prioritized backlog. The development team estimates and commits to what they can realistically achieve. Together, they agree on the sprint goal, a shared objective that guides the sprint. Think of it like a team huddle before a game. Everyone aligns on the play, the goal, and the strategy. Daily Scrum, the daily stand-up. Every day, the team meets for 15 minutes. This is not a status report to the manager. Instead, it's the team syncing up. Each person answers 3 simple questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? What blockers do I face? This keeps everyone aligned, surfaces problems early, and maintains focus on the sprint goal. Example: a developer might say, yesterday I worked on the login page. Today I'll integrate it with the database, but I'm blocked because I need access to the test server. Instantly, the team can help solve it. Sprint review, show and tell. At the end of the sprint, the team demonstrates what they built to stakeholders. This is not a PowerPoint presentation. It's a live demo of working software. The purpose is feedback. Stakeholders can say, this looks great, but can we tweak this feature? Or we actually don't need that functionality anymore. This ensures the product evolves in line with real customer needs, not assumptions. Sprint retrospective, reflect and improve. Finally, after the sprint review, the team holds a retrospective. This is a safe space for reflection. They ask, what went well? What didn't go well? What can we improve next time? For example, a team might realize that communication was slow on Slack, so they decide to introduce a daily sync-up call. These small, continuous improvements compound over time into massive productivity gains. Why Scrum events matter? Scrum events create rhythm. They prevent chaos. They ensure continuous alignment and improvement. Without them, teams would drift, lose focus, and repeat the same mistakes. With them, Scrum teams become adaptive, transparent, and constantly improving. Think about your current work. Do you start projects with clear goals, or just dive in? Do you check in daily with your team, or do problems go unnoticed until it's too late? Do you review your results with stakeholders, or wait until the end? Do you take time to reflect and improve, or jump straight into the next cycle? If not, Scrum events might be exactly what your team needs. Scrum events are not just meetings. They're powerful touchpoints for alignment, feedback, and growth. Sprint planning gives direction. Daily Scrum keeps focus. Sprint review ensures value. Retrospective drives improvement. Together they create the heartbeat of Scrum. In the next part, we'll explore the Scrum artifacts, the tools that give visibility and transparency into the team's work.